Starting from Chrome version 140, the Allow Legacy Extension Manifest Versions feature is removed, so you cannot sideload Manifest v2 extensions. For example, I will try to install the uBlock origin extension using the sideload method. As you can see, the extension cannot be installed. However, you can still re-enable it until Chrome version 142. To do this, open the Chrome Flags page. Search for M1 and enable all unexpired flags. Once enabled, relaunch Chrome to apply the changes. Next, search for MV2. The Allow Legacy Extension Manifest Versions option should now be available. Enable it and relaunch Chrome one more time. If the MV2 extension is already installed, it should be reactivated automatically. If not, you can sideload extensions without any issues. Alternatively, if you are working with MV2 extensions in Chrome 140 and later, and enabling the feature in Chrome Flags doesn't work, you can try the second method. Close all Chrome windows. Search for the Google Chrome app. Right-click and select Open File Location. This will navigate to the Chrome Shortcuts location. Right-click on the shortcut and select Properties. Add this at the end of the target after the quote mark, with a space between them. The target will look like this. Click Continue to save the changes. From now on, when Chrome launches, the extension Manifest v2 will be enabled automatically. As you can see, the extensions are re-enabled. You might see a warning that the extension may soon no longer be supported, but for now, it still works. From the Task Manager, you can see if Google Chrome is started with the custom switches. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.